In this question, we're asked to construct a pie chart from the table of information that we're given. When you construct a pie chart, the first thing you need to do is add up the frequencies. So if you do 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 27, you get 72. We then do 360, because that's how many degrees there are in the whole pie chart, divided by 72, which gives us 5 degrees. This means that each one of these frequencies represents 5 degrees. But there are 15 in here, 10, 20 and 27, so we need to multiply each of those by 5. So we do 15 multiplied by 5, which is 75. We do 10 multiplied by 5, which is 50. 20 multiplied by 5, which is 100. And then finally 27 multiplied by 5, which is 135. These are the angles that we need to draw for each one of these sections. So magpie 75, thrush 50, starling 100, and sparrow 135 degrees. Now the way we do that is as follows. We place our protractor so that the 0 is right at the top here, and then we read round the outside scale until we hit our first angle. Now magpie has already been done for us, and as you can see it comes out as 75 degrees, the line that's already drawn. What we then do is we take our protractor and we make sure that this 0 here is now lined up with the line that was just drawn, this one here, also making sure that the centre of the protractor here is right on the middle of the pie chart. So we turn it so it lines up like this. As you can see, the centre is still on the centre here, and this 0 is now on the line that was drawn for us here at magpie. So we've got a new 0. We then read round the outside scale until we get to our new angle, 50. So we go around and we hit 50, which is here, and draw a line from the centre to this 50, which would go like this. We then do the same process, moving our protractor around, keeping this bit right in the middle, and making sure this 0 here now lines up with this line here. So we move it around so it looks like this. So again, this is still in the middle, and the 0 is now on the new line we've drawn, and the new angle we need is 100 degrees. So moving around the outside scale until we hit 90, and there's 100 here, we draw a line going between this cross and this cross, which looks like that, at 100 degrees. Now the last section is already completed now, but we should just check that it comes out as 135 to make sure we haven't made a mistake. So if you place the 0 here on the new line drawn, you'll see that the final line is already at 135 and it's complete for us. So the last thing to do to get a mark, and this is quite important, is label each of these sections. So this was thrush, this one was starling, and finally this one is sparrow.